Okay, next problem. A random variable capital X has the following probability function: x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probabilities are k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 11k, 13k. First, find k. Evaluate probability of x is less than 4, probability of x is greater than 5, probability of 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. What is the smallest value of x for which probability of x is less than or equal to x is greater than 1 by 2? First bit children. First bit we know that sum of all probabilities is equal to 1, and that means k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k is equal to 1. వాటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 20 36, 36 plus 13 and 49k. This is 49k is equal to 1, and k is equal to 1 by 49. That's all. Second one, second bit we do evaluate probability of x is less than 4. Probability of x is less than 4, and this means up to 4 is not there. In this interval 4 is not there, and the probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. The probability of 0 means k, probability of 1 means 3k, probability of 2 means 5k, probability of 3 means 7k. Finally, this is 16k. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16k, and this is equal to 16 into k into 1 by 49, 16 by 49, 16 by 49. Next, similarly, next we have to find probability of x is greater than or equal to 5. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 5, and this means probability of 5 plus probability of 6. That's all. Greater than or equal to 5 and 5 could not be. 5 is there. 5 and 5 is 6 are in one. And 5 comes in 11k plus 13k. This is equal to 24k, and 24 by 49. 24 by 49. Next one, you have to find probability of 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. And this means 3 is not there here from 4. And the probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6. This is equal to probability of 4 means 9k plus probability of 5 means 11k plus probability of 6 means 13k. 9 plus 11 into 20, 20 plus 13 and 33k, and this is 33 by 49. Next, third bit, we have to find the smallest value of x. Smallest value of x for which probability of x is less than or equal to small x. One by one check cheskunta veltam. First, which is probability of x is less than or equal to 0. And the probability of x is less than or equal to probability of 0. Probability of 0 means k. K means 1 by 49. Clearly this is less than 1 by 2. And it's 0 avudannamata, x value 0. Next one, probability of x is less than or equal to 1. And this means probability of 0 plus probability of 1. And this is 0. Probability of 0 and k plus probability of 1 means 3k. K plus 3k to 4k. And this is good 4 by 49. Clearly which is also less than 1 by 2. 4 by 49 is also less than 1 by 2. Next third one, we have to check probability of x is less than or equal to 2. And this means probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2. Probability of 0 means k, probability of 1 means 3k, probability of 2 means 5k. Finally, this is 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9k. This is equal to 9k, and this is 9 by 49. Clearly, this is also less than 1 by 2. And greater than 1 by 2 వరకు check చేసుకోవాలి. Probability of x is less than or equal to 3. And this means probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. Probability of 0 into k plus probability of 1 into 3k plus probability of 2 into 5k plus probability of 3 means 7k. and this is your 16k, and the 16k means 16 by 49, which is also less than 1 by 2. Next, we will check for probability of x is less than or equal to 4. Probability of x is less than or equal to 4. To find probability of x is less than or equal to 4. This is probability of 0 plus, probability of 1 plus, probability of 2 plus, probability of 3 plus, probability of 4. Probability of 0 to k plus, probability of 1 under 3k plus, probability of 2 under 5k plus, probability of 3 under 7k plus, probability of 4 under 9k. Finally, this is equal to 9 plus 16 into 25k. This is 25k. This is 25 by 49. Clearly, this is greater than 1. 25 to 49 is greater than 1. And finally, therefore, probability of capital X is less than or equal to 4 is greater than 1 by 2. That's all. This model is most important. A random variable x has the following probability function: x minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, and p of minus 2 is equal to 0.1, p of minus 1 is equal to k, p of 0 is equal to 0.2, p of 1 is equal to 2k, p of 2 is equal to 0.3, p of 3 is equal to k. We have to find k and find the mean and variance. This is also most important problem. First, find k. We know that summation probabilities is equal to 1. And 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. K plus 2k plus k into 4k plus 0.1 plus 0.2 into 0.3 0.6 is equal to 1. And 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.6 into 0.4. And k is equal to 0.4 by 4. K is equal to 0.1. That's all. Next we have to find mean. What is the formula for mean? Mean expression of x is equal to, mean is equal expression of x is equal to summation xi into pi, and this is equal to summation xi into pi minus 2 into 0.1 minus 1 into k plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 2k plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into k. Finally, this is equal to minus 0.2 minus k, this is 0 plus 2k plus 0.6 plus 3k. This implies 2k plus 3k into 5k, 5k minus k into 4k. 4k. Next, minus 0.2 plus 0.6 into minus plus 0.4 plus finally 0.4. This is 4 into k into 0.1 plus 0.4 into 4 into 0.1 into 0.4, 0.4 plus 0.4, 0.8. That's the mean. Mean is the 0.8. Next, variance. You have to find the variance. Variance sigma square is equal to expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. Expression of x square will define summation xi square into p of xi minus expression of x whole square 0.8 whole square. 0.8 whole square. And this implies minus 2 whole square into 0.1 plus minus 1 whole square into k plus 0 square into 0.2 plus 1 square into 2k plus 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into k minus 0.64. 0.8 whole square into 0.64. And a minus 2 whole square into 4, 4 into 0.1 into 0.4. Minus 1 whole square into 1, 1 into k, 0 square into 0, 0 into something is 0. Next, 1 square into 1, 1 into 2k into 2k. 2 square into 4, 2 square into 4, 4 3 are 12 into 1.2. 3 square into 9 plus 9k minus 0.64. Finally, we have k plus 2k, 3k, 3 plus 9, 12k. 12k, 0.4 plus 1.2 into 1.6, 1.6. 6 minus 0.64. 12k అంటే 12k into 0.1 1.6 minus 0.64 అంటే 12 into 1.1 అంటే 1.2 plus 1.6 minus 0.64 1.2 1.6 this is 2.8 2.8 నుంచి 0.64 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 6 1 1.16 2.16 and finally sigma square is equal to 2.16. If you have to find the standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of 2.16. Value arthastanta cheyandi. If x is a discrete random variable, let x be a discrete random variable and k is constant. But k పోతే ఏ అంటాడండి, k కాకపోతే ఏ పడేదా అనొచ్చు. ఏ అయితే k అయితే ఫస్ట్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ expression of x plus k is equal to expression of x plus k. We know that what is the formula? Expression of x is equal to summation xi pi. But we want expression of x plus k column. Here k constant, x is random variable, and the summation xi plus k into pi. This is multiple chain. The summation xi pi plus k into pi. అంటే దీన్ని టూ సమ్మేషన్ స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తే సమ్మేషన్ xi pi ప్లస్ సమ్మేషన్ k pi. అంటే సమ్మేషన్ xi pi అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఆఫ్ x ఫార్ములా. హియర్ k ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, సమ్మేషన్ pi. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఆఫ్ x ప్లస్ k. సిన్స్ sum of all probabilities is equal to 1, we know that sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. That is the result. Similarly, second one, what is the second one? Expression of kx is equal to k into expression of x. Similarly, same formula we know that expression of x is equal to summation xi pi. Expression of x is equal to summation xi pi. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? we know that we have expression of kx and this implies summation kxi into pi. Here k constant, summation xi pi. What is the summation xi pi? Expression of x power. This is another result. And the third one, what is the third one? Variance of ax plus b. What is the third one? Variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. This is also most important results, so many times asked in old question paper. Here we know that variance of x is equal to expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. And this implies variance of x, variance of expression of, we want variance of ax plus b, and this is known as the expression of ax plus b whole square minus expression of ax plus b whole square. And this is equal to split chain. Now the expression of a square x square a plus b whole square formula. A plus whole square and a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square x square plus b square plus 2abx minus దీన్ని ఏమవుతుంది? a into expression of x plus expression of b. a into expression of x plus expression of b whole square. Expression of b whole square. దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే this implies expression of a square constant ఎప్పుడు బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. a square expression of x square plus expression of b square constant కాబట్టి b square into expression of 1 plus 2ab constant కాబట్టి expression of x minus a into expression of x plus 1 whole square. Similarly, this is equal to a square expression of x square plus b square expression of 1 into 1 plus 2ab expression of x expression of 1 into 1 minus దీని a plus b ఫార్ములా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయండి. a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab అంటే అవుతుంది a square into expression of x whole square plus minus 2a expression of x plus 1 2a into x plus x minus 1 plus 1. సో ఇందులో మనకి మిగిలినది ఏంటంటే ఇది b కింద ఉంచిన ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ b ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ b ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ b స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది b స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ 2ab టర్మ్ 2ab టర్మ్ క్యాన్సిల్ a స్క్వేర్ ఈ మిగిలింది ఈ రెండట్లో ఏ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ ఇది వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫార్ములా కదా దిస్ ఇస్ వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అది వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏ వేరియట్ ఎక్స్ as the following distribution function x value is minus 3, 6, 9, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So, first we have to find the expression of x. Expression of x is the summation xi into pi. There will be minus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 9 into 1 by 3. The minus 3 by 6. The minus 3 by 6 and minus 3 by 6 is 3. Plus it will be 3. LCM 6 minus 3. This is 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 6 and minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 3 into 6 minus 1 by 2. That is 11 by 2. So therefore expression of x is equal to 11 by 2. Expression of x is equal to 11 by 2. Next expression of x square. Expression of x square is equal to summation xi square into pi and minus 3 whole square into 1 by 6 plus 6 square into 1 by 2 plus 9 square into 1 by 3 minus 3 whole square into 9 by 6 అంటే 3 cancel అవుతుంది 3 by 2 6 square into 36 square 2 అంటే 1 18 9 square into 81 by 3 into 27 plus 18 plus 27 5 1 is there 45 plus 3 by 2 and then 90 plus 3 and 93 by 2 93 by 2. This is the expression of x square. But further we have to find expression of 2x plus 1 whole square. And this is the expression of a plus whole square formula a square b square plus 2ab. This is the expression of 4x square plus 4x plus 1 4x square plus 4x plus 1 and the 4 into expression of x square plus 4 into expression of x plus expression of 1 4 into expression of x square and 93 by 2 plus 4 into expression of x 11 by 2 plus expression of 1 into 1. This is equal to 2 cancel 293s are 186 plus 2 cancel 2 11s are 22 plus 1 8 9 1 is there 10 1 290 that is 290 expression of 2x plus 1 whole square.